I took out the non-working charcoal canister on my GMC Yukon, and this hose actually goes to the charcoal canister, and this is the vent. Yep, that's the vent that is near the fuel filler or the fuel cap. Yep. And then when you buy this, it basically is complete with the hose going to the canister and this vent one. They're actually selling only this unit, which is actually cheaper in Amazon. It's probably like around $25, and there's no hose. This big hose is not there. So yeah, if you remove this lower portion and swap it with the with that one sold in Amazon, yeah, that will work too. Pry out the bottom portion, and what you got is a filter. Yep, there's nothing in there. It's just the filter, and then this is the solenoid portion of it. There's an electrical connector. Yep, that's what it is. Now I'm going to preserve this part and use it on my new part that I ordered. So this is the replacement that I bought for the Evap canister. I mean, yeah, this was for the what they call that, the vent canister, solenoid. So this is the old model, and basically the newer one, they put in like a hose here, and then you need the adapter because it's different. Yep, this one goes in directly to the 2007 model, so I don't need the wiring adapter for this. Basically the adapter looks like this. Yep, it has that curb receptacle. Yep, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take out this cap and replace it with the one from the newer model. Wow, this is loud. Yep, if your vent canister doesn't click that way, it's busted. So the newer one and the older model has a different filter actually. Yeah, this one is like half the size of this filter, but all things are similar except for the tab. The tabs are different. Yep. This one is like slotted, so let's see if this works. So it won't work. This cap is too wide. It's thicker than this one, so I just have to let the old one without the hose installed. Like I don't have to retrofit it. Okay, so I got it installed, and this should actually fix my P0455 issue. Yep. Yep, I just put zip ties in there and soap so that the hose will go in because it's a tight fit. Yeah, even without a zip tie, it's very secure. Yep, and that one goes to the canister. So if that P055 goes back again, we'll see.